Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make mini quiche without crust. First, gather your fresh ingredients like eggs, milk, your favorite cheese, and any vegetables or meats you prefer. Next, prepare your muffin tin by lightly greasing each cup. This is crucial for easy removal. Then, whisk your eggs and milk until well combined and gently fold in your delicious fillings. This simple method ensures a delightful, low-carb treat. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into each prepared muffin cup, filling them about 2/3 full. Avoid overfilling to prevent spills during baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Bake your mini quiches for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. They are perfectly done when the centers are set and a toothpick inserted comes out clean, indicating they are cooked through. The beauty of crustless mini quiche is its versatility. Feel free to experiment with different cheeses. Sharp cheddar, creamy feta, or tangy goat cheese all work wonderfully. For a heartier option, add cooked meats like diced ham, crispy bacon, or savory sausage. Don't forget your veggies. Spinach, sautéed mushrooms, colorful bell peppers, or caramelized onions can elevate your quiche to new levels of flavor. Get creative. After baking, allow your mini quiches to cool in the muffin tin for a few minutes before carefully removing them. This helps them hold their shape. They are delicious served warm, or you can enjoy them at room temperature as a quick snack or part of a meal. For easy cleanup, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum link in the description, along with other great deals. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Perfect for meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.